Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how to get your document attested for a teaching job abroad. So without delay, I want to start the video. Before that, I do recommend you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon because so that you will not miss any new upcoming video. So without any delay, let's into this. So I have divided the video into 3 parts. So the first step is why we have to do the attestation process. Second, which degree and how. Third one is which are the following steps you need to follow to get your document attested. So the first one, why you need to have your document attested. See, when you're going to apply a teaching job outside, they want to check the authenticity of your degree. Is your degree real or not? Or maybe you have not done the degree and you get some fake documents to apply for the job. So to check the authenticity, they ask for the attestation. Now I'm coming to the second step. Second step is which document you have to get it attested. Most of the countries will ask you to get attested your higher degree. For example, your highest degree is your bachelor, so get the degree attested, not the mark sheet. Always they will ask you to get the attestation at the back of your highest qualification degree. Yes. But some countries do ask for for example, you have done your masters, they will ask your bachelor degree plus BA. So that is the maximum attestation every country is asking. 99% they will ask only your highest degree. Few can ask for your bachelor degree also if you have masters in your hand plus BA. So if possible, get the document attested before you start applying for the jobs, because this attestation process will take around maybe 2 to 3 months at least if you're going to do it by yourself. I'm going to come on that point. So if you're going to get your attestation before you start applying for the job, you'll get preference because the employer, the recruiter only he's aware that you have your attested documents in your hand, and when they are going to give you the job, you are ready to take it on the spot and they can start your process at the same time. Now the attestation process can happen in 2 ways. Maybe you can going to do by your own, and second one is through the agencies. So when you're going to do the process by your own, it will take several months, and this one may be a quick and a shortcut to do that, but I'll suggest you try to do this by your own, because there are many agencies which are going to do good work for you, but there are certain agencies which maybe lose your documents and they just take the money, will not provide you the attestation, and which will delay your process. So better if you have time, you go and do your attestation by yourself. Now I'm coming to the third point. What are the steps to follow to get the attestation? So there are 4 steps to get your document attested. First one is through the notary. Second one is from the HRD and state government. Third one is Ministry of External Affairs, and the fourth one is the embassy. So the first one, notary, you can get it attested from any of the local gazetted officer, I think, which all of you must be aware if you are staying in India. So get it a stamp from the notary. Second one is from HRD. HRD means Human Resource Development. That is from the state government. For that, this second step, you further have to divide into 2 parts. One is from the university. Once you need to go to the university, the university will hand over you a certificate which you need to take it to the HRD. For example, I was staying in Haryana and I've completed my degree from Haryana. So what I did, I went to my university, I paid some amount of fees. It varied from 50 rupees to 200 rupees. You get your confirmation from the university, take that confirmation letter and go to HRD department. For my university, it was in Chandigarh, so you need to figure out where is your HRD department of your state. Go and submit your application over there, and maybe after a month or a period of 15 days to a month, you'll get your confirmation from HRD. After that, you need to go to the Ministry of External Affairs. You will submit your degree to the External Affairs, which is in Delhi. So for that, if you find any agency who can get this work done for you, it will be good, because you need to go to the External Affairs and you need to visit the office 2-3 times, depend on the availability of the officer. So that is the third, Ministry of External Affairs in Delhi. I think that is also available in Bombay, that is Mumbai and Calcutta Calcutta, I'm not sure. Last year they were saying they opened the office there also, but I'm sure Delhi and Mumbai there are office for the Ministry of External Affairs. And the last step is embassy, through the embassy. So, for example, you are going to apply for the Canadian Institute. So you have to go to the Canadian Embassy in your Delhi, or maybe you are going to apply for UAE, Dubai. So you have to go to visit the UAE Embassy in Delhi and get your document attested from that. So these are the 4 steps to get it attested. If you still have any question regarding the attestation process and you are still doing, you need any of my help, do post your question in the comment box. I will try to help you as soon as I can. That's all for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, keep learning, keep growing and reach to the higher level. That's all for today's video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.